How to view your purchase history on Temu, step by step for beginners. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle, the channel where we make online shopping and business easy for everyone. No stress, no confusion. Today's topic. So, you've bought something on Temu, and now you're wondering, where can I see what I bought? Whether you forgot what you ordered, want to check delivery, or just love tracking your stuff, we've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your purchase history on Temu, step by step. And yes, it's super easy. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another smart shopping tip. Let's go! Receipt. What is purchase history? Your purchase history is just a fancy way of saying a list of everything you've ordered. On Temu, this helps you see your past and current orders, track what's on the way, know what's been delivered, or return items if you need to. How to view your purchase history on Temu, step by step. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Find the orange Temu app on your phone or tablet, and tap to open it. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Step 2. Tap You or Account. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see a little icon that says You or Account. Tap it. This is where all your personal info and orders live. Step 3. Tap My Orders. In the Account section, you'll see a button that says My Orders. Tap it. Boom! There's your full purchase history. You'll see orders that are processing, orders that are shipped, orders that are delivered, and even canceled or returned orders. It's like your own shopping diary. Ledger. Package. What can you do from your purchase history? Track packages. Temu shows where your item is. Reorder items you liked before. Return something if it's not what you wanted. Check how much you spent. It's all in one place. Super neat and organized. Brain extra tip. Use the filters. You can also filter your orders by status, like delivered or processing. Date, so you can find older orders. That way, you don't have to scroll forever to find what you need. Quick recap. Open the Temu app. Tap You or Account in the bottom corner. Tap My Orders. View your full purchase history. Track, return, reorder, or just admire your shopping wins. Grinning face with smiling eyes. Direct hit. Have you checked your Temu order history before? Tell us in the comments what your first ever Temu item was. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more easy, helpful tips to shop smart and hustle smarter. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling smart and shopping smarter.